Hey guys, welcome back to our channel.
Welcome back.
So today we are going to be reviewing and using the new Colourpop Collection with Sailor Moon, which he can talk more about. I've never seen Sailor Moon.
Love Sailor Moon. I can't believe I'm a big anime person, so the fact that Colourpop created this with Sailor Moon is just so awesome.
So first off, as you guys see this little thing right here, this is Pretty Guardian Sailor Moon pressed powder palette.
And then we have Midnight.
Wait. But here's the palette.
And it has the... No, there you go.
Back and forth.
Oop.
The shades are pretty neutral. Besides the bottom row, there's some cute little pastel shades.
And then we get two Moonlight and Daylight liquid lip duos, which is these guys. So one, you have her fighting combat in her Sailor Moon outfit with Luna. There they are. Her little schoolgirl outfit, and these are the lips. Powder blush compacts. You get two of them.
Little kitty cats. Here's the compact. What is this?
This is Luna.
Oh, the kitty's hurt.
Yeah, it's a little boo boo. Well, because you probably hit him.
Oh, she hit the kitty?
Well, he's...
Is he a bad kitty?
No. And it has little kitties in the pants.
Here's the other color.
Is your shimmer matte?
Matte.
And then you do also get Glitterally Obsessed glitter gels. There's the packaging.
Oh! I dropped it.
The packaging is cute. Little moons.
Okay.
So this is called Moon Prism Compact. Moon Prism is actually a move that she does, which is...
Otis? What are the
well,
names?
if you watch the damn show.
Moonlight Legend.
That's Moonlight Legend, yeah. So there is the Moon Prism. And yours is a pink with purple and gold. Mine is purple with pink and silver.
So here are some of the lips. There are some blotted lips and some glossy lips, I believe. Here are the shades. Yeah, the lip colors are a little bit similar in shades. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and use the shade the shade Cat's Eye for blush, which is the one that's a little bit warmer and shimmery. I do have a little bit of blush on already because I honestly forgot that we were doing this, but I'm gonna top it with this blush, and then he's gonna go in with just straight blush.
And then I'm gonna go in with this shade from the Moon, which is the matte, brighter pink one, which we showed you.
I'm honestly not the biggest fan of shimmery blushes, so I don't know that I would like continually use this blush.
I'm gonna go ahead and bring up that blush to the nose, the bridge of my nose. All right, for the first shade I'm going to dip into is going to be Moon Castle.
First shit.
The first shade I'm gonna be dipping into is Moon Castle. I'm gonna put that in my inner crease, if it shows. We don't know yet.
I don't know what I'm gonna do. I think I'm just going to go into shade...
I didn't set my eye.
Oh, but these are all shimmers at the bottom.
Yes, girl, that's what I'm telling you. It's like...
shit. There's only 3 matte shades in the palette. They're bling blingy. It's like a matte with glitter in it. I just know if I blend those in my crease, it's gonna be, the glitter is gonna get everywhere. Actually, I think I'm just going to... Okay, let's see. I'm just going to use... So I'm going to use shade Twilight Flash in my crease. Holy cow. Girl, this picks up a lot of product. Gets a little... Yeah, tap up your brush.
And we did just get this in the mail like 3 hours ago.
We're hoping to be the first tutorial up on YouTube University. So these shades are definitely a little less pigmented, but you can see like... I'm like really packing this color on. I mean, if you take the time to pack it on, it'll show up. I'm gonna put a little bit of Moon Castle in my outer crease and outer eyelid.
Okay, that shade's popping up on you, but I mean, you're so fair.
So I thought this shade on my outer corner was gonna be a little bit deeper. Of course.
I forgot.
I never forget to contour my nose. Anyways, this shade looks a little... It's just a lot lighter than I thought it was gonna be. Even on me. Simple palette gets a simple look.
Period.
Period.
Now I'm going to dip into the shade Miracle Romance, and we're going to put that at my
outer
corner
crease. I am going to go for the purple shade, the shimmery one though. I'm going to pack that on my eyelid, but I'm going to spray that actually for maximum payoff.
And because we're doing a simple eye, I'm jumping back and forth to each eye. There you go.
Oh.
So you better be doing the same thing.
No. I do as I please. This eyeshadow is basically going to be the base for my glitter that I'm going to put down. There's not really any deep shades in this palette. The one on the outer corner is my deepest. There's the deepest. Okay, I'm going to take the Moonlight Legend Glitterally Obsessed Glitter, the pink one, and I'm going to put it over top of the purple shimmer eyeshadow. Okay, so here's the thing with some of the shades with the Colourpop glitters. They almost look like white or like ashy, like the glue. The glue has like a color to it.
I'm going to be adding Moon Prism onto my lid.
That one's so pretty.
Wait.
That looks... Oh my gosh. Matt, get that out of your lashes. Oh my god, that looks so pretty though. Does mine look pretty? I can't tell.
See, what happens is that whatever they use picks up our foundation or concealer.
From afar, honestly, it looks okay, but it picked up all the base we put down, like his concealer foundation on his eyelids. I'm gonna grab the purple shade, Miracle Romance, and put it underneath my lower lash line. I just wish they were a little more pigmented, not gonna lie.
I'm going to go ahead and grab the shade Romance and put that under my lash line.
Okay, so I had my purple eyeshadow on my eyelid, and that's gone. Whatever the glue is in this, ate it up.
Moves everything.
No,
it picks and sucks and turns.
It literally like ate it. There's no purple eyeshadow underneath anymore. I'm gonna throw the shade Silver Millennium. I'm going to put that into my inner corner as a nice little highlight.
I'm gonna go ahead and dip into the shade Luna and put that into my tear duct.
And my eye is done, so I'm just gonna go ahead and throw on the other eye.
Oh, that's funny. I already threw on the other eye.
Oh yeah, you're so cool.
Alright, so we went ahead and I did lashes. Wes just did mascara. We went ahead and put Colourpop's Cream Gel Eyeliner.
Yeah, we pop that into our waterline.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, so now we're ready for the lips.
I'm going to be using the shade Bunhead, and it is called an Ultra Blotted Lip.
I'm gonna do the ultra blotted lip as well. I'm gonna use shade Usagi.
Usagi.
And then
sounds like you said you're soggy.
You're soggy. You are soggy. After this dries, I'm gonna go ahead and top it with the gloss called Sailor Moon. Oh, it has coverage. I've never used one of their blotted lips. I know it has like it's like a natural finish, a natural coverage.
It's very cute though.
I love this color. Ooh, I don't know if I want to go over the gloss. Do you like it matte?
Matte.
You do?
Mm-hmm.
No gloss?
No gloss.
Really? I wanted to try it. No, I like it matte too, so I'm gonna go ahead and leave it. This is so pretty. It says blotted lip, but I kind of did 2 layers and made it super pigmented. It's super matte, super matte. It's super matty.
Alright guys, this does conclude
the video.
The look.
So we do have some things to say about the collection.
You know what, I'm gonna be real. I'm disappointed. I love Sailor Moon. I'm into anime. I do feel like as a consumer for makeup, if you were to buy this is something that you would not use on an everyday base. This is something that you kind of just dip into and use the shade here and there. If you're a fan and you love Sailor Moon, I would definitely say get it. But if you're stocked up on makeup, I don't think you need to purchase this.
I mean, yeah, I feel like it's more like collector things, but I think that's what Colourpop is intending for it to be. The packaging honestly is what sells me.
And it's not like the formulas are bad on the lips or the pigments or any of that. It's just I don't know.
I mean, okay, so we did get some cute looks, some cute ass looks out of this, but we did definitely have to tap into the pans a lot. It definitely really built up that color, and honestly, it's not even the most pigmented.
Yes.
I don't see people of deeper skin tones using this.
Not at all.
It might look a little ashy, or it just might not be pigmented enough.
Yes, but like I said, if you are a fan of Sailor Moon and you're expecting color, no honey, there's no color here. I mean, there's a cute pastel pink and a pastel purple.
But also the glitters, these glitter pastes, some of them, not all of them, but some of them have like this weird glue that they use. and it honestly like eats away anything at your eyelid or
kind of strips. It kind of just mixes in with everything. It's like almost like a makeup remover, like a balm.
Yeah.
Like it kind of just like starts smudging everything together.
So I don't recommend it on the cheeks, or I mean you can put on the eyes obviously, but it will kind of eat up whatever's underneath it.
Unless you figure out a way how to use these, let us know.
You probably have to use like a super matte
because like
eye
look
base.
at this. Is look how purple this is. Now look at my lid.
Well, your eyes are there. You go.
Look at this. Now look at my lid.
The glitters are pretty though. I really like the glitters on top. If I didn't have the glitter, I probably wouldn't really care for the look.
And 100%, don't get us wrong, we are huge fans of Colourpop.
But this lip, the blotted lip.
Okay, but look at they look so
I
soft.
love it. It looks very, very matte, like almost like powdery.
Yeah.
And it feels like powder.
So the whole collection does retail for $89 in case we missed that. If I were you, I would save those $89.
Unless you're a die-hard.
And you just need to have it, then I understand they get it. But I mean, it's cute. I loved it.
I mean, the packaging.
It's cute, and
the packaging is honestly what you're buying. So cute.
It really is cute.
So cute. And I'm like, these things are like super HD nowadays. I feel like I'm looking at a movie.
What would you give this?
1 being
out of
worst,
10 being the best.
I'd give it like a 6. It's not horrible, but it's not the best. It's better than, I guess, I'd give it like a 6, 6.5.
I feel like I would give it a
Honestly.
packaging and Sailor Moon being Sailor Moon. I would give it like an 8. As far as like
an 8. Oh, okay.
As far as like being able to use it, 5, 6. Versus that, yeah.
Yeah, usability.
Usability, I wouldn't say.
I would say
there.
6.5.
But it's cute. We are happy that we were able to give it a review, just to give it a little test run before you guys went out and bought it. But let us know what you think. Let us know if you do end up buying this, and if you do end up creating some looks with it, tag us in the photos. Let us see what you came up with. But besides that, this does include our tutorial for
So
this does not conclude our tutorial. This concludes our review for the Sailor Moon and Colourpop.
Alright guys, so if you enjoyed this was helpful, anything, leave your comments down below, obviously.
Press the subscribe button, give it a thumbs up.
By the way, we read all the comments. Even if we don't respond, we read them. So
we watch them.
If you got something to say it.
Say it, boo-boo.
Make sure to subscribe to our channel.
Give it a thumbs up.
To see more videos. Thumbs up.
Add us on Instagram, which is, of course...
Wesley Benjamin Carter.
At Matt_Lars, and you can follow our couples account, Matt and Wesley. But
shameless plug.
You guys have a good morning, good night, good afternoon, whenever you're watching this, and I hope you stay beautiful.
Deuces.
Bye.
Bye.